This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This car has a manual transmission and a 6.2-liter V8. Its top features include a limited slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a smartphone adapter, XM satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Bob Stahl Chevrolet for your next new or used vehicle. Our family-owned dealership has been serving the San Diego area for over 40 years. And remember, every new vehicle comes with our low price guarantee. We are conveniently located at 7601 Alvarado Road in La Mesa, just 4 miles east of Qualcomm Stadium. We look forward to serving you.